How to add photos in Instagram comments. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Instagram application in a mobile device and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, go to the post where you want to leave a photo comment, then tap on your comment section to open it up. Inside here, you should see a small gallery icon. Tap onto it to select a photo from your gallery and post it as a comment. Now you can even type in your comment and then tap on this little icon, and just like that you will be able to comment photo on Instagram comments. Now if you don't see the gallery icon, there are usually two possible reasons. First, the owner may have restricted photo comments, or second, the feature may not be available on your account yet. In some cases, one Instagram account may have the feature while another account does not. If it's missing, you can try updating your Instagram to its latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Also, keep in mind that the photo comments are not available on every post even if your account supports the feature. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.